Hey guys, I'm so excited. I got my first box of December, and this is the Tribe Beauty Box. And it feels like it's been so long since I last received this. Tribe Beauty Box comes every other month, so my last one was in October, so I'm super excited. Tribe Beauty Box costs $34.99 a month, and it does ship internationally, and there is a shipping charge depending on where you live. But I think it's awesome. It ships everywhere. I think it actually comes from Canada, but I could be mixing that up or confusing it with another subscription. But it's pretty good. I think I've received 2 so far, and I really like it. So the box looks like this. It's super cute. So I'm super excited. But before I get started, I want to remind you all I have a giveaway going on. I will link that below, so make sure you enter if you have not yet. But anyways, let's get unboxing. I've been seriously like stalking my mailbox. There's a window right here, so I was like doing my makeup, like waiting for it to come all day, and it came like 10 minutes ago. That's how pumped I am. So that's what it looks like. There's a little information sheet on top, and it says sugar, spice, and everything Tribe. And then it lists the products that come inside and their pricing, and I just read something, the first one, so I'll just grab it first. I'm super excited. We got a beauty blender. This is $20. This is awesome. And it says $20 on here too. I know because I just actually bought one. I like used some of my points for my Birchbox account, but anyways, so awesome. So this is a red one. I don't have it in red. So that's exciting. It says it's a limited edition red carpet blender. The red carpet fits perfectly to the contours of the face to effortlessly blend and blur your base, blush, concealing, and contouring products. It instantly gives you a seamless, soft focus effect. Okay, I'm already super happy with this box because you cannot have enough of these. I've been using the same one like for a while now, and it's not looking too good. So that's why I use my points to get another one. So I'm super excited about that. That's awesome because I never want to like actually use my money to buy these. $20 seems like so much, but they work so well. But anyways, I'm so excited today. Can you tell I have like way more energy than normal? All right, this is by Koki Professional. This is a transforming foundation mixer, dewy. This is interesting. This weightless makeup mixer instantly changes foundation to a radiant, dewy finish without compromising the quality, wear, or color of your foundation. So to use it, you add 1 to 2 drops of the mixer to your foundation and blend well. This is so cool. This is brand new to my collection. I don't have anything like this. I've heard of foundation mixers before, but I actually really do like a dewy look. Like in the winter time too, this can be really good for people that have dry skin and crave that look too. This is awesome. I'm super excited about this. This is only $7 retail value too, so that's a good price. Let's see, so I guess people could have either gotten this or a primer. So I'm glad I got this because it says the blurring primer was the other product and that had $11 value, but I'm glad I got this because I have so many primers. So this description says, create your ideal foundation look. This has the technology to be able to transform your favorite foundation into your desired finish. Create a dewy, radiant finish with just a few drops. So awesome. And this is 30 ml. This is pretty big. And if you only use 1 to 2 drops, like this will last forever. That's awesome. Super happy. The next thing I see is by Suva Beauty, a moisture matte liquid lipstick. And this is in Beisharam. It actually tells you how to pronounce it on here, so that is how I know. So Beisharam is when you wear a skirt 3 inches above your knee in front of your parents. How can you be such a Beisharam? I.e. shameful. Interesting. Beisharam. So I wonder if that's like a certain language. Let's see. So this is $18. And this is formulated for all day hydration and flexibility. Ooh, it's a red color. This will be prettier on the holidays. Let's see. So it's unique hybrid matte lip formula, has the longevity of a liquid lipstick and the comfort of a cream lipstick. Ooh. I was just thinking I need to like switch out my makeup routine and maybe use some different colors. I love the color I'm wearing today though, but this is like the color I always go for. This is the Milk Makeup, the Lip and Cheek and Work that I received yesterday, and I really like it. Okay, so this is what the applicator looks like a normal doe foot type. Ooh, it is really creamy. That was just one little swipe. Awesome. It's like a berry red. Kind of, yeah, it's super pretty. So I'll show you that again. So I'll kind of just leave it there and see how it dries. Hopefully I don't get it all over my white sweater. It's so nice today in Florida. It's like 73 degrees maybe. But anyways, so far so good, right? The next thing I see is by Wander Beauty. I really like Wander Beauty. And this is their Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow. I think I've gotten this before. This is $26. So let me see what color this is at, because I think I do have this, and maybe I got it in a Lola Beauty Box. Alright, that took me a hot minute to get out. So this is in Dove Gray. So I think I received this like in a more purple color before. I'm gonna reach in my vanity and look in a second, but this is a silky smooth and ultra blendable liquid eyeshadow that delivers high intensity color in just one swipe. It can be used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow, highlighter, or layered for a beautiful range of day to night looks. So I like multi-use products. So just one second, I'm gonna grab my other one and see if they're the same color, because they are, which I don't think they are, but if they are, I'm gonna put this in my giveaway, so one second. So they are slightly different. The one I have already is in Lilac Luster. So they're pretty similar. Let me do the one I have already. Oh, and I totally spread that already, damn it. I hope it's not on me. So I'm not gonna swipe this one yet because I'm not positive I'm gonna keep it yet. I'm gonna try out this other one again and remember if I like it or not. I think it is really pretty, but that's what mine looks like. It's just like a shimmer, great glitter topper type thing, so cool. Let me put this one to the side. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, the next thing I see, it says Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner, and this is by Sister or Sistar. This is what it looks like. And this is $7.99. I'm gonna keep this in here right now just because I don't wanna open it because I have some felt tip liners open already. But it looks like it's good for the cat eye. Let's see what it says. It says, make a bold statement with your dramatic eye look. Its thicker felt tip lets you easily create a cat eye wing. So awesome. I really need to start using eyeliners more, especially the felt tip. I already have some open, like I said, so I don't want to open this one right now. And also I may consider putting that in the giveaway. I'm gonna take a look at my collection after this. But that's awesome. I know people love getting eyeliners and I need to start using them. But anyway, let's move on to the next product. This is by The Balm. They always have such cute packaging. So this says, in Stain, a long wearing staining powder blush. There's like a little packaging so that it comes off. And let's see how much this is. This is $22. When you open it, oh, there's a little mirror, and then, well, that is an intense blush color. It says, wear it well. And then I think it says wear it well in French maybe, voix va bien, because bien means good, right? And this is in the color Toilette, I think. Yeah, that's what it says in here. I could be butchering that so bad. But this is in Stain Longwear Powder Staining Blush, delivers a rich and vibrant breath of color to your cheeks for a flawless and glamorous look. It is a buildable strawberry pink with a satin sheen shade. So let's swatch it. Ooh, it feels nice. That's what it looks like on my finger. Let's see. I kind of did it over my knuckles, so that looks silly. But I think that's pretty. It's not as insanely dark as you would think when it says like stain. I don't know, in stain, I'm like, oh, is that gonna like be super dark and stain? But it seems like it's blendable. Yeah, definitely. I'm blending it over my knuckles right now and that looks nice, I think. So that's nice. I'm excited to try that out too. And then it looks like there's a palette. I think this is the last thing. Yeah, it is. So this is a palette. This is by Bella Pierre. I think the last Tribe box we got a Bella Pierre lip kit, right? Was that Tribe? So this is the glowing palette and it has step-by-step instructions on back, so that's nice. Okay, so this is like in a packaging, and this is $50. Whoa. Oh wow. There's a protector and there's a mirror in here. And there are such pretty highlighting shades. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I hope the camera does justice. At first when I heard $50, I was like, what? These are super gorgeous and they have pretty big pan size too. Let's read about it. Oh my god, but $50, this is totally worth it. This is a pretty high value box, right? Anyways, it says the glowing palette contains 6 illuminator options to suit a wide range of skin tones. Formulated with natural ingredients, these illuminators melt seamlessly into the skin and can be layered. So cool. I'm excited about this. So let's see if my finger's clean. I'm gonna put a couple on. So, well, they're so close to my skin tone, the 3 I just swatched, but that's good. You know, like they're very pretty. I'm super excited. This one looks like it could be like a bronzer, but yeah, this is awesome. It really, I think, will work for most skin tones. So awesome. I'm glad they did that. 'Cause sometimes you get things that only can work for a certain skin tone. And I like that that's a whole palette. So like even if this brown doesn't work as a highlighter for me, I could use it like as an eyeshadow or maybe even like a bronzer type thing. So that's awesome. I'm super excited. This one could be a blush. So pretty. I'm super excited to play around with this. It's awesome. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna add up the total of this box. 1 second. All right, so my total for the box is $150.99. So that's good. So you pay, what, $34.99 I think I said, and then it's $151. Plus it could be a few more dollars if you got the primer instead of that dewy mixer, foundation mixer. So I think this box was totally worth it. You know, this is making me wish like it came every month, but this is like worth the wait. Like the Beauty Blender alone, like that is such a good thing to get in your box. This palette, like $50. I don't know if I would buy this like myself outside of getting it in a box, you know, but I'm really happy with it. The quality seems great. Of course, this is just swatches. I'll have to try it out and let you guys know what my actual thoughts are. The lip color is super pretty. I kind of smeared it when I was going into my vanity, but you can see that it's drying down. It seems like comfortable. It might not be kiss proof or transfer proof, but super cute. The blush, there's an eyeliner, the eye topper. This is so much stuff. I'm super happy. This is worth the wait all day for my mail that came late. But anyways, I almost forgot every video. I'm gonna open up my advent calendars before I say goodbye. Today is December 6th. I will open my bath bomb one first. This kind of looks a little messed up because you have to like push through to get the dates up. So the 6th, let's see. I'm just gonna kind of rip it. So today's a white one. This is a more mild scent than the previous ones. They were more floral. This smells really good. I don't know what it is, but it smells nice, like in a fresh type of scent. So that's what it looks like. And then let's go on to my L'Occitane one. So let's find 6. There is 6 up there, cute little moon. All right, what do we have here? This is the Immortal Divine Youth Oil. Oh, so this is like a face oil. I've heard about this. Look how cute this little... So this is, yeah, part of their Immortal Divine line. So the youth oil, so you just use it on your face. I actually use face oils every single day. I think it makes such a difference. Even if you have like oily skin, I have kind of like combination skin. So I'm super excited to try this out. I think a full size of this is pretty pricey. Like this brand is generally more expensive than others, but it's because it's high quality. So I'm super pumped to try this. So yeah, this is a great day overall. I like my advent calendar stuff. I like my beauty box stuff. Please let me know what you guys think. Do you guys get this box? Of course, I'll leave the link below along with the advent calendars and all my social media links and the giveaway. So if you haven't yet, make sure to enter. That'll bring you to the giveaway video where it'll explain more about what the prizes are and also how to enter. So, and that is open internationally, by the way. So yeah, International Day. I love getting boxes that are internationally shipped. So all of you guys can enjoy too if you'd like to. So anyways, love you guys. Thanks for unboxing with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.